There we go. Okay. So, gonna be doing more HTML. Where is it? There it is. So it's Control B. That? Yes. Okay. So this is my system. There's NeoFetch. The font is a little bit too big. Why is the font so big? Did the font change? No, why is it 16 point? It was 14 point. I'm pretty sure. Last time. Looks better. So this is the server I've been using. It's one that I made. It's it's based off the one from Elks. It's very good. Works on a lot of stuff. I mean, there's all platforms it works on. Here's my system. It says on BSDs. Works on tmux. Works on Ubuntu 4.10. Basically anything except for Core Linux 1.2, which implies that it wouldn't work on Debian 2.1. Okay, so start it. Oh, yes. And start it. There's a little Easter egg I added where it outputs Penger, and you can see that in the code. Actually, something I wrote. There it is, right there. This is all like ANSI escape sequences. So how this gets called is that it's just a thing. So like if this is defined, then if there's T, then run Penger. And it only adds like a few kilobytes to the code, which is funny. So it should be running now. Let me open Pale Moon. Okay. Now I should be able to go to localhost. Thank you. Truly a web moment. Okay, stop. Stop. There we go. There you go. Those all things. Takes a second to load because the server is made to be portable but not fast. So focus on speed. Like, yeah, something that'll happen. Sometimes programs just randomly crash, like Visual Studio. Sometimes crashes. Not Visual Studio, it's Visual C++. Close enough. The same thing. Okay, let's try it again. There. This is a little test page I made. It's waiting. Yeah, I don't know why it crashes. Actually, no, it doesn't crash. It just thinks that it does. I don't know why it's crashing on this. This is freaking plain aw HTML. Why is it crashing on this? Restore. No. Turn tmux. Every time I see that, I think it's tmux, but it's tmux. This is what I did in last video. I did all this. So, in the file, I said that I was gonna. Oh yeah, by the way, this is latest Vim. The what version comes with this? 7.4. This is 9.2. So I did all this last video. So I got some things to do, like finish it. And uh, so I put to replace some of the breaks with paragraph and paragraph for small line breaks. So all the things in here, they're using break, the break tag. Like look at the space between this. This is a lot of space, and that's why probably why the page is so big. Like look at the space between this. I I think for like paragraphs, like separate it like this is like the space of 3 enters when it should be a space of 1. So I'm definitely gonna fix that. But I need to focus on getting this done. Okay, so I am at Control B question mark. Let list keys. Let's see, help keys, list key bindings. Hmm? CB list. What? CB question mark. Ah, there it is. Okay, so I am here. Alright. So I don't know how to stop the highlighting. Let's just put a bunch of crap in there. Okay, so new div. I'm gonna try to do this. I'm gonna put a div for. So div means like the dividing, like a different like piece of the article of like the page. So I'm gonna put a div, then a div for the header, then close that div, then open a new one for the actual text. So this is H4, commands and flags, if I can spell correctly. End div, open another div, and just start typing. As a large set of commands. These all have a name like new window or new session or list keys and may what the heck and many also have a shorter a alias as new or new or Why is freaking Vim so slow? LSK. What is it? What the fuck is Pale Moon doing? Sometimes this will happen. There, no, it's done. Sometimes things like that will happen where, um, it will get locked up in like 100% CPU, and the only way to fix it is to close the program. I have no clue why that happens. Happened with, the other web browser I have, Chameleon, yesterday. Finish with coffee. Okay. Um, okay, I'm gonna test out the difference between break and PNP. So I'm gonna put that. This is the only way you can comment out code, is if you put it in a script, then comment out the script. Like that's the only way. That's as far as I know, the only way you can comment out code in HTML. Anytime a key binding is used, it runs one or more tmux commands. Example, CBC, the new window command. Here, actually, no, I won't because that would make it confusing. Oh yeah, so this, I don't like this. There's too much of space here. That's because I put a break, and breaks are giant, so I'm gonna. How big is Thanks? Just there. Start paragraph, end paragraph. How big is that? Oh yeah, that's a lot smaller. Yeah, I like that. I mean, some five brain, like, I was the inventor of HTML people are gonna be like, oh, but this sucks, it's so much slower. I don't care if it's slow or not. I just care if it looks good. That's what most that's what most web developers do nowadays. They make code that's slow as heck, and with this on purpose to look good. I mean, um, like I try to go on Geeks for Geeks, um, and it brought this laptop to a crawl. And also, why am I using 100% CPU? This is a blank freaking page. This is the best web browser on Windows XP, by the way. And it's not even supported on Windows XP. It's supported for Windows 7, not XP. Can also be used from the shell as with a new session and list keys. keys above. Okay. I think I'm gonna play some music. Let's see. Fish. 1997? Yep, this one. I'll put this in the description. And find a good video for background music. This is only 1 hour, but yeah, I'll put this in the description. I shouldn't get copyright struck. This is just the jams, and I don't think that they got copyright strike. Commands can also be used from the shell, as with new sessions, keys. Each command has 0 or more flags in the same way as standard uppercase Unix commands. Flags may or may not take a single argument themselves. In addition, commands may take additional arguments after the flags. Flags are passed. I think this is just. Yeah, I think that's just like a Vimism. Like there's GNU-isms. Are passed after the flags. Flags are passed after the command. Example, to run the new session command alias -d and -n. What? Alias. Oh, okay. Alias new with flags. Oh. With flags D and N. $tmux new session D in my session. All commands and their flags are documented in the tmux manual page. This document focuses on the available key bindings, but commands or mention or information or where. Oh, that's a typo. Or, not of. Where there is a useful flag, they can be entered from the shell or from the command. Scribe the next section. Right? So open div. So it's there. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, that's a lot more readable. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try to move back to open paragraph, end paragraph for spaces, because a lot smaller, a lot more readable than the giant spaces of the break flag. Okay, new div. Actually, I should expect on. Yeah, that's all in one div. You open it up. There's the header div and then the paragraph div. Yeah, it's a lot better. Something I do like about GitHub Markdown is that if you want to insert an image, it's the same like type of styling. Like this is the same in the GitHub Markdown specific one, but it's also valid in HTML. So you could just copy all the code in here and then put it in here, even if it was the way that you put it in GitHub Markdown specifically, because there's two ways. You can use the image flag or like, I forgot how you even do it. I just always drag image into repository. It makes my life easier. Oh no, I don't equal that. Height 243. tmux has an interactive command prompt. This can be opened by pressing Control B. That, and that's what this looks like. At the prompt, commands can be entered similarly to how div pane into view mode. By default, command prompt uses keys to Emacs. I don't know why. I can use most text editors. I've Notepad, Vim, right here. I mean, NeoVim isn't too much different. I can use new Vim, old Vim, or new Vi, old Vi, Elvis, Pico, Nano, Microsoft Word, LibreOffice, Microsoft Visual C++. I just cannot use Emacs. Like, I cannot figure out Emacs for the life of me. And I think it's better that I learn Vim because it's basically like it's just Vi and I only use it like a few things. In Vi, it's opening files, editing files, and closing files. Like, I don't do any of the cool scripting things. That's all I do. So I can use Vim, and it's much more better than Vi. And if I need to use Vi on some like old Unixes in 86 box, then I know how to use them because Vi is basically Vim is Vi, Vi is Vim, basically. Similar to Emacs. However, if the visual or editor environment variables are set to, you remember me? No. I'm sorry. But, hello. Are set to something. My friend and I had to. Oh, you. Okay. I don't trust you. Now, I'll still let you watch my videos, but I'm not letting you on my Discord. I don't trust you. I don't trust many people. If I do it again, you'll ban. I mean, doing it once is already enough. So, I'm sorry. Vim or envi. Then No, I can only speak English. I mean, I could read a little German, but German and English are basically the same thing. No, it's not good. Italicized. What? The one time I had to do that was because I wanted to install a really old version of SUSE Linux, and that was back before it went international. Okay. File keys are used instead. Paragraph. Multiple commands may be entered together at the command prompt by separating them with a semicolon. This is called a command sequence. Called a command sequence. No, I don't need. New div. Therefore, end div, new div. Paragraph detach from tmux means that the client exit and detaches from the out terminal, returning to the and leaving tmux session any group inside it running in the background to detach tmux. The CBD key binding is used. When tmux detaches, it will print a message with the session name. Detached from session, my session. existing session without arguments. It will already... Oh, what? It will attach to the most recently used session. That is not already attached. Tmux attach. Or -t gives the name of a session to attach to. Attach .dmi. By default, attaching to a session does not detach from any other clients attached to the same session. The -d flag does this. Assign tmux attach -dt my session. The -a flag to attach to an existing session if it exists, or create a new one if it does not, for a session named my session. tmux new -a s my session. The -d flag may be added to make new session. Also behave like attach session with -d and d attach any other clients attached to the session. Use restroom. What does this look like? Oh, this looks nice. Yeah, it looks a lot better than giant spacing. Okay. Oh, I think it's in documents. No? Okay. Back. Okay, so I am in attach. So after attaching and detaching, it's listing sessions. The list sessions command alias ls shows a list of available sessions that can be attached. This shows 4 sessions 1. Two. My other session. And my session. What does that look like? Did I format it correctly? Yes. Okay. P and P code tmux. No, freaking not tmux. tmux. LS. Three windows created Saturday, February 22nd, 11:44, 51, 2020. Code 2, 1 windows created Saturday, February 22nd, 11:44, 51, 2020. B code, my other session. 2 windows created Saturday, February 22nd, 11:44, 51, 2020. My session. 1 windows created Saturday, February 22nd. Okay. End div. Is there space in all of them? It's okay, it works good enough. H4, killing tmux entirely. I've already been streaming for an hour. Wow. No sessions. Windows panes inside. tmux. The server will exit. Can also be entirely killed using the kill server. command. For example, at the command prompt, kill server. Okay, and that's it. Very short section. H4. Creating new windows. Image, source, images, tmux, new, windows.png. Align equals right, width equals 376, height equals 243. A new window can be created in an attached session with the CBC key binding, which runs the new window. Command. That new window is created at the first available index, so the second window will have index 1. That new window becomes the current window of the session. If there are any gaps in the window list, they are filled by new windows. So if there are windows with indexes 0 and 2, the next new window will be created as index 1. The new window command has some useful flags which can be used with the command prompt. Oh my gosh, I have to do the thing again. Lists. UL style equals list style type equals disk. Li and li ul. Okay, so that's how you do it. UL style equals list. that. List style type disk, yes. And li. The dash D flag creates the window but does not make it the current window. Li dash N allows a name for the new window to be given. For example, using the command prompt to create a new window. My new window without making the current window. Oh. New window dash dn my new window. Oh, wait. How does that look? Oh, tmux wiki getting started. So this is creating new windows. Oh, okay. So it's a part of list. I don't know if that will work or not. Yeah, let's figure it. See. Li the dash T flag specifies target for the window. Command targets have a special syntax for simple use with new window. It is enough just to give a window index. This creates a window at index 999. New dash T999. And list and UL. Paragraph. A command to be run in the same new. Wait, run in the new window. Maybe given to new window same way as new session. Example to create new window running top one. Code new top. Div. There. I don't know if that worked or not. It did! Absolute bajoting. Okay. I'm really liking this. HTML is fun to program in, even though it's not a real programming language. It's basically a more complicated version of Doku Wiki Markdown. Okay. Okay. New div. Header for splitting the window. Paragraph up here. Is created by splitting a window. This is done with the split window, which is bound to two keys by default. UL style equals a list style type this. And then li code CB percent splits the current pin into two or reducing two panes next to each. Oh, it's not one way. Each other. One on the left, one on the right. Okay. CB at code splits the current pane into two vertically, reducing two panes, one above the other. Nice. Oh, you can do that. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'll learn new things about tmux. Each time a pane is split into two, each of those panes may be split again using the same key until the pane becomes too small. Wait, too small? What's too small? Like, every single thing about this has been pretty specific, but it says, oh yeah, until it becomes too small. Well, how small? Code split window. That's all useful flags. UL style. List style. Type. Disk. Li code -h does a horizontal split and HB a vertical split. -D does not change the active pane to the newly created pane. -F makes a new pane spanning the whole width or height of the window, instead of being constrained to to the size of the pane being lit. That should be what's the new pane? The left or above of the pane. Heck. Oh, garbage truck. Like, who's backing up out there? It's garbage truck. Was I the B pane left or above of the pane being split instead of the to the right or below? A command to be run in the new pane may be given to split window in the same way as new session and new window. I think I might have to use breaks here, because it's not supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be like on the left. Also, I need to add a G there. Split in, splitting, not split in. Here, I'll place this break. That didn't change much. Really? 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 How to move image down in HTML. You just translate. Huh? Change position of image in HTML. I don't want to click on any of these because I know it's going to lag out my computer. Like, Geeks for Geeks. Like, last time it was lagging every app on my computer last time I went to Geeks for Geeks. Can you please tell me? Please. Please, I don't want to go to a website. Yeah, CSS. Yeah, I can do CSS. It's trying its best, and it's still using 100% of CPU. Like, the computation isn't even being done on this computer. It's just sending it. Sucks. The heck? So how do I do that? Dot move image. Translate Y. Huh? I don't know CSS. Okay, stop. Stop. There. I don't know how to fix this. Oh. Ah. Oh. How do I fix that? Put a break before it? There we go. This looks weird, but it works. And I didn't have to use CSS. Fun fact, CSS is a programming language. I'll let you take that however you like. Div. Changing the current window. There are several. Yes, this is the Windows embedded theme. I have a lot of themes. I just looked up Windows XP themes and I just downloaded a bunch. But this is the Windows embedded theme. Actually, I think it's POS Ready 2007. I think that's what theme it is. Oh no, it's actually embedded. Yeah, I like this theme. I like how I have all the setup, the bar up here, and I forgot what it was down here. I really like it. I mean, I use this laptop every day, so makes sense I would tune it. This is my daily driver. Yeah, there are several key bindings to change the current window of a session. I have to do this again. UL style list style type disk. Zune theme? Yeah, I looked at the Zune theme. Zune, from what I remember, Zune theme kind of looks like this, but gray. CB1 to window 1 up to window CB9 for window 9. CB prompts for a window index and changes to that window. Code CBN changes to the next window in the window list by number. So pressing CBN when in window 1 will change to window 2 if it exists. CBP. CBP changes to the previous window in the window list by number. Oh, LI, there. LI. The video end? Oh my gosh, the background music ended. This one. Here, beginning. Put this one in the description. There. Okay. Code CBL changes to the previous window in the window list by number. Sorry. Changes to the last window, which is the window that was the current window before the window that is now. Okay. And UL. These are all variations of the select window command. And if yeah, nice. Hey, wait, what? These are numbered lists. They're supposed to be... These are supposed to be like this. Huh? Oh my gosh, I put disk with a K, not with a C. My American is coming out. 250 years. There. Dots. Let's see. Dots. Okay. Yeah, because on the page it doesn't actually use numbered lists, it only does dotted lists. Okay. Changing the active pane. Changing the active pane. The active pane can be changed between the panes in a window with these key bindings. Another list. CB up, CB down, CB left, and CB right. Change to the pane above Adobe. Pane above, below, left or right of the active pane. These keys wrap around the window, so pressing CB down on a pane at the bottom will change to a pane at the top. No, end code, no, end list. Next, add image, sure. Images, tmux, display panes.png. Right, width equals 368, height equals 235. What was that? Image, okay. EQ code prints the pane numbers and their sizes on top of the panes for a short time. Pressing one of the number keys before they disappear changes the active pane to the chosen pane. So CBQ1 will change to the pane number 1. Gosh, freaking so many Discord notification. The pane number 1 LI code CBO moves to the next pane by pane number and tbco swaps that pane with the active pane so they exchange positions and sizes in the window. And then list. What does UL stand for? Why is making a list in HTML use the tag UL? Does it stand for like ultimate list or something? What does it stand for? Unordered list. Okay. Yeah, unordered list. Okay. I wish I could make DuckDuckGo darker, but I can't do that. Because, I guess my Pale Moon doesn't know how to handle a bit of code that sends you to settings. These use the select and display panes commands. Pane numbers are not fixed. Instead, panes are numbered by their position in the window. So, if the pane with number 0 swapped with the pane in number 1, the numbers are swapped as well as swapped as well as the panes themselves. Okay. And div. That's nice. I'm loving this so far. So the reason I'm making this, well, half of it was that I wanted to do some HTML stuff, but another reason is because I'm actually going on a trip soon, and like, as in soon, I mean tomorrow. So, and I just don't want to use GitHub, because GitHub, I can go on GitHub. I actually logged in on GitHub on this, on both the terminal and the web, which is through the magic of magic. There's gh command. There, I mean, it works. I've uploaded commits to ESHTTPD on this, and it works. And I know Git works because I've been using it the whole time. I actually used it to clone the wiki. Okay. Oh wait, did I actually say why I'm doing this? Oh yeah, because GitHub on this is very slow, and HTML is very fast on here. So I'm translating it from GitHub Markdown to HTML. Okay, so was it changing the active? Okay. Create choosing sessions, windows, and panes. Div, new div, image, source equals images, tmux, choose tree1.png. GitHub somehow still works without JavaScript. Huh. Well, actually, let's test that out. Because on Chameleon, you can actually turn off certain features you don't want. No. Yeah, you can turn off all this. So, yeah, wow. I do know that you, I mean, like, yeah, if there's this, like, loading thing right here, then it'll never load. And so, you have to have a web browser with modern enough JavaScript if you want to download anything. So, like, if I go here, this will just be loading forever, and I can't download it. Which is very annoying if you're on a terminal web browser like Lynx or Lynx. Lynx or Lynx. And you can't download anything. Or, you know, just really dumb web browser like Dillo. Or... what's the other one? NetSurf. Source align equals right. Width is 376. Height 243. Paragraph. tmux includes a mode where, yeah, you can still kind of like read stuff, but I don't. But like all the some of the formatting is gonna be off, and this is something fun to do. Sessions, windows, or panes, and be chosen from a tree is called tree mode. It can be used to browse sessions, windows, panes to change the attached session to current window or active pane. To change to these windows and panes or apply a command to several once by tagging them. There are two key bindings to enter tree mode. CBS starts showing only sessions with the attached session selected. CBW starts with sessions expanded. So windows are shown and with the current window in the attached session selected. Tree mode splits the window into two sections. The top half has a tree of sessions, windows, panes, and the bottom half has a preview of the area around the cursor in each pane. For sessions, the preview shows the active panes and as many windows will fit. Windows as many panes as will fit, and for panes only the selected pane. This makes no sense. MG source, images, tmux, choose tree2.png. Align to the right, width of 376, height 243. Lots of typing in this one, in this heading. Keys to control tree mode do not require the prefix. The list may be navigated up. Oh wait, no, there needs to be space in this. Up and down keys. Enter changes to the selected item becomes the attached session. Current window or active pane and exits the mode. Right expands the item if possible. Sessions expand to show their windows and windows to show their panes. Left collapses the item to hide any windows or panes. Is that O or 0? It's an O. O changes the order of the items, and Q exits tree mode. Ah, there's more. Oh no. Another table. I don't like tables. I do not like tables. I'm in quiet. Wow. After their name, all tagged items may be untagged by pressing uppercase T. Tagged items may be killed together by pressing X. Or a command applied to them all. Listen to this music. What is Trey doing? Pressing. Hi Daniel, happy birthday. Encode or a prompt. Each item in the tree has a shortcut key in brackets at the start of a line. Pressing key will immediately choose that an item as if it had been selected and enter. Rest. The first 10 items are keys 0 to 9, and after that, keys MA to MZ are used. And yeah, space between this. So much typing. This is a list of the keys available in tree mode without pressing the prefix key. And then I have to do a table. How's this look so far? Lots of yapping. Everything after this isn't code, because this is the default font. So yeah, I didn't add an exit code flag. There we go. I know W3 schools won't blow up my browser. I just don't trust Geeks for Geeks. Okay. I'll just copy this. Table. And TR. So this is the top. T header. So there's two headers. Okay. Key. And function. And TR. And then new TR and then TD. Change the attached session, current window, or active pane. Oh no, there's so many. TD, select previous item. TR. TD down. TD select next item. What the hell? I think my Vim is breaking. It doesn't know how to use this. It doesn't know how to format tables, and I don't blame it because tables suck. Okay. Right. Fix formatting. Oh my gosh, I ended per TD. TD. Right. Expand item. And TR. TD. Left. Left. Collapse. I know. X. Kill selected item. Code X. TD kill tagged items. Do you see why I hate tables in HTML? And I still got, I'm not even halfway through making the table. Like by the time I end the stream, it's gonna be like lunchtime by the time I finish this table. It's this up here, this is my local time, Eastern Standard Time, that's gonna say 12 by the time I finish the table. I don't know if it'll handle that correctly. Because carrots are these characters. Those are used all over. I mean, they're used all over HTML. But that's a tricky thing if you want to say that in HTML. Which I don't blame them. Carrot isn't something you use every day. Why not convert it using MD? I know someone would say this. Like, I would just use MD, Github markdown HTML converter. Well, I don't feel like using it. Well, this is more fun. And I'm like, before this, I didn't know how to do tables in HTML. I didn't know how to correctly use divs. I didn't know, like, all this new stuff that I'm learning. And I get to change how it looks. Like, if I use a markdown to HTML converter, it would probably change white background, and I wouldn't know how to change it. And yeah. Scroll preview left. Scroll this. TD scroll preview right. CS search by name. No, not code. And TD, then after CS is N. Repeat last search. And then T. Toggle if item is tagged. Okay. After T is uppercase T. Uppercase T is tag no items. CT tag all items. TD TR prompt or a command to run for selected for each tagged item. Oh. TD change sort field. And TD R. TD reverse sort order. TD toggle preview. Finally, TD code Q. Exit reload. Tree mode is activated. Activating the choose tree. Man. There we go. 300. This is 30 kilobytes and 724 lines. Okay. Please work. Absolute bejoing. Absolute bejoing. I'm not even halfway through the whole article. And it's already almost double the amount of lines. Holy crap. Where is it? 31 kilobytes. I just want to look at this in here so I can look at it better. How do I enable word wrap? There. There's table 1. It's amazing. I wrote all this. Or translated all this. It's amazing. Okay. Want to keep on streaming? I think what I'll do is I'll add a table of contents. And then I'll put it on my website. That's at right here. Here's my wiki. My Doku wiki. Running this use Apache, not ESHTTPD, because, well, first of all, Apache. Also, it's not Debian, it's Debian. ESHTTP doesn't have directory listing yet, and it doesn't have CGI support. I need to make a homepage for this before I make something in Microsoft Office. Okay. Go to add table of that's HTML. Yeah, Microsoft Office. Do not know Office. Office webpage. I actually made a webpage in here a while ago. It's Microsoft Office. this. I made this. And it has a built-in HTML maker. I made this for a Linux distribution. My Clippy. Hi. What would you like to do? Yeah. Different ones you could ball. Robot. The office logo. Merlin. The Earth. Links. Rocky. Keep Clippy. Okay. Add a table, you could have a list of links corresponding to headings and use URL with the pointing of the headings. Yeah, Office XP or 2002. It supports a lot, like, you can write in it. I actually did something, actually made a presentation in it. And it's not that bad, but something to note is that if you're making a PowerPoint, it has to be 4:3, but if you import a PowerPoint that's 16:9, it'll accept that. It's kind of like how Google Docs only makes 16:9 presentations, and if you have a 4:3 screen, not Google Docs, Slides, make a 4:3 presentation. No wonder that. I can't go on Google Slides on here, but it'll take like 30 minutes. So it can, but I'm guessing not automatically. CSS. I don't like CSS. UL or OL. List. And include a with href attributes pointing to IDs. Okay, I think I know. So if I do something like hashtag about this document, will that work? I do not want to go on Stack Overflow. I went on Stack Overflow and it slowed my whole laptop down. The perfect table. What does this have to say? Okay. Each heading. H2. Okay. 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 Okay, you can stop now. You can stop now. So, ID equals... Here. So, okay. ID equals. There. So. Okay, you can. Okay. Okay. My gosh, you're still going. Yeah, copy. Didn't copy it. Sorry. Amazing. Okay. Is he still going? Yes, he is. Stop. The longest I've seen the little assistant yap for. So now, if I like scroll down, go to. There we go. Okay. HTML. I think you can put text before the head. Okay. P. Contents. UL class. Actually, this won't be numbered. Okay. Hashtag getting started. And then NUL. Oh, I should probably end it as well. Absolute bedroting. Okay, time to get ID all the stuff. ID equals about tmux. About this document. using tmux interactively. And ID creating sessions. The status line. I think I'm gonna do this in Notepad++. I'll close this in here, so Vim doesn't yell at me. Okay. I think the rest are H4s. Okay. ID equals public keys. ID equals and flags. ID equals the command prompt. tmux. Okay. ID equals creating windows. What the heck? Splitting windows. Changing windows. Changing active pane. Okay, there we go. As this. Actually, let me go to top. Okay. I got that. Okay. href is about tmux. About tmux. that. About this document. About this document. Other documentation. Documentation, basic concepts. Oh, I have an idea. Basic concepts, then tmux server and clients. Session, Windows, spans. Summary of terms. Creating sessions. The status line. The prefix key. Help keys. Commands and flags. The command prompt. Attaching and detaching. What the freak? Son. Oh my god, there we go. I got really scared when there wasn't a redo key. Listing sessions. Filling tmux. Changing. Current. Pane. Windows and panes. There we go. Done. Here. We'll have Notepad++ on one side and normal Notepad on the other. Ahref. basic. Here. tmux server and clients. href. Session. Okay. href. Summary of terms. This fell off. Alternatively. Creating sessions. Okay. href equals the status line. Prefix key. Oh, keys. Commands and flags. Why do you keep on getting in the way? Attaching and detaching. Listing sessions, listing sessions. Killing tmux. Creating windows. Oh, killing tmux. Entirely. And creating new windows. Splitting windows. Okay, changing windows. Changing windows. Changing the current window. Changing the current window. No, NA. LI. Href. Changing active pane. Change the active pane. And choosing Windows panes. Choosing sessions. There we go. Okay. I saw that there was OL for ordered list. What does that look like? There we go. Absolute wizarding. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. It's amazing. Okay. And that's gonna be it for today. And in case I don't see ya, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.